Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. Microsoft just dropped a brand new Windows 11 26H1 Canary build 28020.1743. And trust me, this one's way more useful than it looks. At first glance, yeah, it sounds like a small update, but under the hood, it's packed with real everyday improvements. We're talking about separate volume control for shared audio, a completely redesigned feedback hub, subtle but important file explorer polish. And if you're using Bluetooth LE audio or planning to upgrade to next gen PCs, this build is a big deal. Let's break it down. Let's start with the headline feature. Shared audio just got a major upgrade. If you don't know, Windows 11 introduced the ability to share audio between two Bluetooth LE devices, basically letting two people listen to the same PC at the same time. Perfect for watching Netflix on the flight, gaming together, late night YouTube sessions. But there was one big problem. If you were stuck with one volume for both users, that changes now. With the build 28020.1743, you finally get individual volume sliders for each listeners. So now, you like it quiet, your friend blasts it with maximum volume. Everyone wins. And there is more. Windows now adds a new taskbar indicator when shared audio is active. And here is where it gets exciting. Microsoft's clearly pushing Bluetooth LE audio adoption and supports expanding fast. New supported devices include Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro, Sony WF 1000 XM6, Xbox wireless headsets. If you're in the US, UK, or Canada, where these devices are widely available, this feature is actually usable right now. This isn't just a gimmick anymore, it's becoming mainstream. Next up, the Feedback Hub just got a serious glow up, and honestly, it was overdue. The new design is cleaner, faster, and way easier to use. The biggest change? A simplified submission system. No more confusing steps, now you get a single unified form, smart category search, and this is new. Give a compliment option. Yes, you can now actually tell Microsoft when they did something right. That's rare. There is also a focused feedback mode, a lightweight version of this app. If you just press WinKey plus F, the plotting toggle will be there. Perfect for reporting bugs instantly, not breaking your workflow. And finally, built-in screenshot tools got better. If you just click on make a report or suggestions, and then just scroll, and if you add in a screenshot or image, and then click on it, you can now highlight issues, blur sensitive information, and crop before sending. And this is huge for bug reporting, especially for creators and developers. It finally feels like a modern app, not a leftover from Windows 8 days. Alright, let's talk about small details that actually make Windows feel better. In File Explorer, when you right-click files like .exe, .bat, and .cmd files, the open option shows the actual app icon. It's tiny, but it makes everything feel more polished and consistent. There is also a fix for something super annoying, downloaded files being unnecessarily blocked. Now Windows improves how it handles file unblocking, previews for PDF, images, etc. And honestly, that's a win. Now quickly reality check. This is the Canary Channel, which means earlier features, possible bugs, no guaranteed stability. And here is something most people don't realize. This build is heavily focused on ARM64 devices. We're talking next-gen PCs powered by Snapdragon X Elite, Snapdragon X Plus. Microsoft's clearly optimizing Windows 11 for the future of AI-powered ARM laptops. So if you're an Intel, AMD, you might see these features later in the dev channel or slightly differently. And one more thing, once you join Canary Channel, there is no easy way to back. You will need a clean Windows reinstall to downgrade. So yeah, choose wisely. So what do you think about this update? Is shared audio with separate volume the killer feature? Or is the new Feedback Hub the real upgrade here? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for weekly Windows updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.